How to fix Instagram feed not refreshing or loading. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram feed not refreshing or loading. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first solution that I'm going to show is to check if your Instagram is up to date. So to do that, just open up your App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android and type on your search bar Instagram. So just tap on Instagram. So like this page, it shows an update button. So just tap on the update button so that you will be updating your app and have the latest bug fixes and performance improvements as stated right here. If it shows open, that means that your Instagram is currently up to date and you're good to go. So assuming that I am now done updating my Instagram app, I'm just gonna go to the next solution. So the second solution is to check if our internet is functional and is stable. So just go to your settings page and it's just going to go back and just click on Wi-Fi over here. Now if it does not show any problem, that means that your Wi-Fi or your internet is stable and functional. Or you can also go to your Safari and search for internet speed test and just click on run speed test over here to check if your internet has sufficient upload or download speeds. So if that still does not work, just go to your settings page over here, click on general, iPhone storage, and click on Instagram. So what we're going to do is to offload the app. So click on offload again. So this will clear the cache of Instagram and hopefully fix the problem of your feed not refreshing or loading. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.